today I'm here to explain my or share my story with D-Light Energy. In the month of May 2019, Puri, my hometown, was hit by a cyclone of 220 km per hour. The cyclone devastated the city Puri. D-Light could be a solution provided to the city because the Puri city complete electrical infrastructure was devastated and Puri was going to take around 30 days or 40 days to revive its power supply. So I was lucky that I could find a D-Light distributor who was kind enough to share D-Light solar lights, fans and other electronic products from D-Light to us. Now they started the unique journey because I myself was going to live in a city where there was no power and without any family. For me it was very difficult, and thankfully D-Light helped us. So I was the first beneficiary of D-Light, and slowly with the solar fans we started to give the solar fans to all those needy people, all those senior citizens and newborn babies who were facing difficult times in the hot and humid climate. Now coming back, the fans were very much helpful to all this medically required people, and they were very much helped by this, and they extend their thanks to D-Light company. Now coming back to the lights, now because the whole city was under darkness, the solar lights, they were charged during the day. Because they are so easy to charge and so easy to operate, I could charge all of them simultaneously and use it for mobile charging of these workers who were working for restoration of electrical work. Even during night, the lights were used for restoration work during Cyclone Fani. Also, we gave the fans, unsold fans at certain points of time to the cooks who were cooking for those electrical workers. Also, we gave these fans as free of cost to people who had small babies and who were having issues. Also, we sold the fans and all the customer reviews were fantabulous.
सोलार फैन आमे जो दिन नेइथिलु तापरे खराबलटा पूरा चार्ज बसिलु फैन आउ फैन चार्ज बसिला बेले आमे डेली राती 11 रे फैन टाकू ऑन करू पूरा हाई स्पीड दउ मीडियम रो पूरा हाई स्पीड टा दउ सकाळ 8:30 पर्यंत फैन आमे जति समय सोउ सेही पर्यंत फैन टा हमर चले फैन टा टोटली बंद होइनी आमे टोटली स्विच ताकू बंद करू ताकू मोबाइल फैन टाकू फोन तरे चार्ज करी पूरी राती रे यूज करू.
They were super happy with the fan, and I myself tested that the solar fan that D-Light has designed works up to 8 hours, 9 hours even at high speed. So that was a very big moment of relaxation and comfort for us to do social work. So there in Cyclone Fani, the D-Light Kisan Torch was very instrumental in keeping an eye on the large area to keep miscreants and thieves away. Also, some of the lights were given to the security personals in that area so that security of that area can be maintained. So basically, D-Light fan has been a part of our life. D-Light lantern and D-Light Kisan Torch has been with us for a good period of time. And I have personally found that these lights, because they're so beautifully designed, the quality of the plastics, their solar panels and the charging time and the backup time, everything is very fabulous. I can assure you that D-Light is one of the best products that you can ever buy. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my thanks on behalf of Puri city for helping Puri in the time of crisis.